My name's Unrau, and my collection is called Enemy in the Mirror. I draw inspiration from just different subcultures like skateboarding, punk, different styles of music that I also enjoy, like hip hop and folk. And I basically just made the collection an encapsulation of myself and tried to represent myself the best that I could. Okay, so the best advice I've ever gotten is from my dad, and it was there's usually two choices, the right one and the wrong one, and the right one's never easy. And then the second one was there's things that aren't your fault, but that doesn't make it not your responsibility. And so those are the two things that kind of always stuck with me. I'm pretty sure he told me that when I was like 8 or 9. Before I moved to Winnipeg, I was living in Morden, and I just moved back from Brandon after taking a year of interactive media arts. And then I found that I really loved the graphic portion of it, using Photoshop and Illustrator. And so I incorporated graphics like that into my fashion. Fashion is just representing who you are as a person. So for myself, it's what drew me to fashion was the DIY aspect, as well as my dad would have vintage pieces down in the basement that he wouldn't fit, so old Harley leather jackets and Levi's denim jackets and stuff like that, and we would go to the thrift store, and I just kind of fell in love with the customizing things on your own aspect, so it makes it more personal. And so fashion to me is just sort of taking whatever you have and making it you.